Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet a sunflower coaster. I am using a 2mm crochet hook and a 3-ply yarn for this project. This is a crystal yarn. First of all, make a slip knot and then with the help of crochet hook, make chains. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. After making 4 chains, go into the very first chain and make a slip stitch into it. Start the first round with 3 chains and these 3 chains will be counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring of chain and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the ring, draw a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 and then pull the yarn through other 2 to make a double crochet. Now again make a double crochet into the ring, then again make a double crochet stitch into the ring, and in this way we would make total of 16 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains. So I have total of 16 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain and our first round is completed. This starting yarn end is woven inside these stitches, so cut it with the help of cutter and start the second round. For the second round again make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet in every round. This is our simple stitch. Now into the same chain 3 make an increased stitch by making a double crochet into the same chain 3 where we have made our slip stitch. Now into the next double crochet stitch after chain 3 make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. So this is our increased stitch round. Go into the third double crochet stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into it, then go into the next double crochet stitch, make double crochet 2 times into it. So in this second round we would make 2 double crochet stitches in each of the double crochet stitch of first round, and in this way we would complete our round. So I have made all double crochet stitches. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain and then start the third round. Make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet in every round. Now we would work into the next double crochet stitch after chain 3. Chain 3 is our simple stitch. Now second double crochet stitch is our increased stitch, so make double crochet 2 times into it. Next stitch is again simple stitch, so make 1 double crochet in it, and the next one is our increasing stitch. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into it. Into the next stitch make double crochet 1, into the next one make double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So in this third round we would make 1 simple stitch by making a double crochet in 1 stitch and a increasing stitch, making 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Third round is also completed. For the fourth one make 3 chains. This is our simple stitch. Now into the next double crochet stitch after chain 3 make 1 double crochet. This is also our simple stitch, and after these 2 stitches third stitch is increasing stitch. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now next 2 are simple stitches again. Make double crochet 1 in the next stitch, then make double crochet 2 into the next stitch, and after that the next one is again our increasing stitch. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. In the next 2, make simple regular double crochet in each. Again the third stitch is our increasing stitch, so make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now repeat this process till the end of this round. Now this fourth round is also completed. Start the fifth one by making 3 chains. Now make a simple double crochet stitch into the next stitch after chain 3, then make a simple double crochet stitch into the next stitch also, and after that next double crochet stitch is again our increasing stitch, so make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now in the next 3 we would make simple double crochet stitches in each, so make double crochet 1 in the next, then double crochet 2 into the next, and after that double crochet 3 into the next stitch, and fourth stitch is our increasing stitch. So in this fourth stitch make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. In this way complete this round. Now I would use a yellow color yarn, so make a slip knot of this yarn first and then make a slip stitch with this yarn and finish this round. Now cut this yarn strand and make a knot of these 2 yarn strands. After making knot, our work would be secured. So now we would start our next round. Make chain 1 and then make a single crochet into the same chain 3 where we have made our slip stitch. This is our single crochet 1. Make single crochet 2 into the next double crochet stitch, single crochet 3 into the next double crochet stitch, then single crochet 4 into the next stitch, and after that single crochet 5 into the next stitch. And I have even both yarn ends inside these single crochet stitches, so cut these yarn strands and make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5. After making chain 5, from the very next double crochet stitch make single crochet 1, make single crochet 2 into the next stitch, single crochet 3 into the next stitch, then make single crochet 4 into the next stitch, then single crochet 5, and after 5 single crochet stitches make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4 and then chain 5. After making 5 chains make a single crochet into the very next double crochet stitch, make single crochet 2 into the next stitch, then make single crochet 3, single crochet 4 and single crochet 5. After making 5 single crochet stitches into the next stitches make chain 5 again and make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch. So repeat this process of 5 single crochet and 5 chains till the end. Now in the last make 5 chains again and make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch. This round is completed too. Now we would make our final round. So make a slip stitch into the second single crochet stitch, then third single crochet is middle stitch in these 5 single crochet stitches, so make a slip stitch into it, and now we would start working into the chain 5 space. So make double crochet 1 double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5. After making 5 double crochet stitches, make chain 1, chain 2, and then into the same double crochet stitch make a slip stitch. This is chain picot design. Now into the same chain 5 space start making double crochet stitches again. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5. After making 5 double crochet stitches, here our first shell is ready for sunflower. Now 1, 2, 3. Here is our third single crochet stitch, which is the middle stitch in these 5. Make a slip stitch into this third single crochet stitch, and now start working into the next chain 5 space. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5. After 5 double crochet stitches, again make chain 2, and into the same double crochet stitch make a slip stitch to make a chain picot. Now start making double crochets again. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and the last one is double crochet 5. After making 5 double crochet stitches, second shell is also ready. Now make a slip stitch into the third single crochet stitch, which is here. So repeat this process of making sunflower shells till the end. I have made all shells. In the end, make a slip stitch into the middle single crochet stitch, and then pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, and then remove the extra yarn strand. Now weave this yarn end with the help of tapestry needle. So I have woven the yarn end at the back side, and our coaster is ready. I hope you guys like this sunflower coaster. So don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.